Today we are going to make some kind of dark R&B, trap soul, trap sad type beat, if you know what I mean. I always like to start with the chords. Find this. We make the chords with this, some kind of pad, an omnisphere pad. So, I'm going to start with a minor chord that will be something like this. This is a minor chord. Let's put an octave higher. This is a minor chord. Minor chords are basically this structure. So you will be one note, then two notes, one note, then two gaps of notes, then one note again, three gaps, and the third note. So this is a minor chord. Can be any minor chord. And a major chord would be this. So this is a minor chord, and this is a major chord. Let's Now what I'm going to do is use just this other pad. I'll just copy and paste. Quick legato. I want to make an automation clip on this pad. Now let's make the melody. Now I want to make another stuff, this kind of bass. And we will use the same chords, the same notes of the chords. Will be those notes right here. So I just copy, open right here, paste, quick legato. Now we need to add the drums. This is nice. Now we gotta put the crash and then the bass. The bass will be those notes. Copy, paste, and the bass will hit when the kick hits. Yeah, this is great. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Now I'm going to play it the whole beat.